Good morning and welcome to the shop, to a video that I don't know if I'm even going to release because it's all bicycle stuff and y'all hate that. But we're here, we've got my mini bike, we've got the death trap, and Tyler bought that.
We're gonna build another death trap.
Yeah, so the plan
Death trap
here.
squared.
Oh yeah, also my my mountain bike is gonna get some shiny new things. So unfortunately today is going to be the last hurrah of the Roadmaster e-bike. That was a fun learning experience. The result is sketchy as hell and actually kind of difficult to ride. But we're going to take the motor, battery, and controller off of that, and we're putting it onto this super clean Razer McGrath Edition SX350. and we're going to see how fast this tiny thing can go. No suspension. It's basically this Razer scooter, but with bigger wheels and a seat. And then we might all go riding. And in the meantime, I have my Gary Fisher Tasahara over there, which I put long travel forks and wide handlebars on. And immediately discovered that they were the wrong forks, and I hate wide handlebars. So I'm going to cut the handlebars down to a better width. And yeah, so the forks. I was looking up Gary Fisher Tasaharas on the internet with disc brakes, because mine has disc brakes, because I didn't want to go outside and actually look at what model year it was. And the model year that I found was a 29er. So I ordered forks for a 29er. Then I got them, put them on, did everything, shimmed everything, realized, wait, this isn't a 29er. So I've got 29er forks on a 26er bike, and I decided that the best option, which costs as much as buying another set of forks, is I got a 29er front wheel, tire, and tube, and I'm building a 69er, because
Nice.
memes. Alright, get to disassembling, and I will get to assembling. Disassemble.
Oh, you're gonna do that.
The Gary Fisher, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I want to ride that while there's still some light out, for the little bit that I can. That's eventually going to get a mid-drive electric swap. I just went to a local bike shop and rode a couple of e-mountain bikes. They were torque sensing, and I decided that I don't like torque sensing, so that thing is going to be a probably a Bafang BBS02, just cadence sensing, 1,000 watts or so for off-roading. Should be pretty peppy and keep my strain off my knee. Well, there it is in all its goofy glory, a 69er. This was a thing back in the 90s because you wanted a smaller wheel in the back, was a little better for climbing, but a big one is better for rolling over obstacles. And now I have, I mean, people are going to look twice, aren't they?
Yeah.
Now I just need to do something about these absurdly wide handlebars. I'm probably just going to slide everything in as far as it can go, and then cut off the excess. Also, I put a suspension seat post on the e-bike. I quite like that. I'll probably put one on this. Freaking Bont Rager. How are things going for you?
Well, I'm disassembling your stuff in order to make my stuff dangerous.
Hell yeah.
So, yeah.
Love that.
And then maybe we'll put a child on it.
That's a great plan.
Yeah. Away and
Boy.
I stumble.
The mini bike sure did go to pieces in a hurry.
Fall to pieces and I'm still falling.
You.
Every time I.
Really?
I am bemused. Here is the original motor.
Yeah.
Cute little thing.
Sure is.
And here is the motor that's going in this element of destruction.
About twice the size.
And 4 times the wattage rating.
Yeah.
5. Yeah, because this is a 350 watt. This is a 2000 watt.
Where's your sense of adventure?
It'll keep up with traffic.
Maybe.
I'm in danger.
Something that these kits are notorious for as well is the throttle is extremely touchy.
YOLO. Yeah, I'm aware of what I've done. I measured once.
Erase
Cut
myself.
twice. Yeah, I measured once and cut twice. Let's be
That's
honest.
like
Shit.
5 or 6 times. I actually measured and then taped, and I got one cut done on my handlebars. About to do the other one using the angle grinder. It is terrible, awful, very not good time, but
Not 5.
not the vibe. So my bike is a bust because despite measuring and marking and taping,
He cut once.
I cut on the wrong side of the damn tape I put down, so now I need new handlebars. So that's wonderful. And then I cut my thumb open when opening a beer because I was upset about it. Anyway, this is actually coming along great. Go figure. Motor is mounted, and the battery is also mounted with straps.
Industrial straps.
Dude, it needs the plastics. We gotta hide that rainbow barf. And the
Yeah.
angular plastic, dude, honestly, the design of the 3500 is so much cooler than the big ones. I'm so upset about that.
We can cut this.
Huh?
We can cut this.
Let's not. No, they're rare.
We can cut it to fit. Well, okay,
Those
fine.
plastics are, I mean, if we do that, then it just fits. And we don't have to cut anything.
Fair. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm here for it. Oh, we'll have to like trim this to allow
And then it'll look totally stock. No, all the wires can go out the top.
Oh yeah, that's right.
We could also just flip this around so the wires are at the top.
Actually, that's probably the move right there.
Because we have a lot of excess motor wire and stuff, so it's all going to need to go up that way anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, that will. This thing's going to be sneaky. I mean, the big motor is the big battery is kind of a giveaway, but not really.
It doesn't stick out a whole lot.
It blends really well with the tail. Like, unironically, it works really well. And since the rear wheel doesn't move, technically,
we have
that's
all the
enough clearance. Yeah. So, dude, all we got to do is plug in some plugs, and we're done. Put the handlebars on, put the throttle on, and then the battery's charged, and it's ready to rip.
And yeah, let's.
Are you excited?
A little scared.
Look at that, it's all hidden.
And
It does help if you turn the battery on.
Oh man.
There we
One of
go.
these things, man. Wait, what did you do? Battery on? Battery's on. What did you do? Oh wait, I didn't hook up the throttle.
That helps. Oh yeah, don't forget you can charge your phone off of this.
Yeah, that's a priority.
Yeah, you know. So while you wait for 911 to show up.
Yeah, yeah, you can charge your phone so that you can contact 911.
Okay.
Okay, it's hooked up now. And yeah, we have green battery and wait.
Haha, you didn't turn the key on.
Oh, yeah, there we go. Ha! That's
Much speed.
that is scary. Jesse, whatever his name is. Oh God. It wants to go. It wants to go so bad. Oh, this thing's so sketchy.
Okay, we go around the block now?
What the?
Bruh, no, stop that. What? Get out of here. Friggin', I work for the government, so I'm gonna flash my amber light so I feel important.
The brake's not good enough to lock it up. It needs discs. Do this. This is the most fun you can have for like, how much was the battery?
450. And then the motor kit is another 160.
So the battery's the most the battery costs as much as this bike does new.
Yeah.
Well, if you could hack together something, awesome, do it. This was just opportunistic, and I love it. This is great.
Oh wow, you even routed the
Yeah, I did.
the cable.
I did it perfectly.
Wow.
It looks... It's so amusing that it looks so stock. Like, let me roll into the light a little bit. It's so amusing that it looks... Other than, like, if you know what you're looking for, the motor...
Yeah, the motor looks stock to people who don't know what one of these is.
Yeah, but everything else looks entirely factory.
Yeah, I mean...
But it will do 30 plus.
I mean, honestly, though, the battery doesn't look out of place.
No, it looks like it belongs there. It's chunky. It looks like a kid's toy.
That's wild. I mean, you keep saying it looks like a kid's toy. My guy, it is a kid's toy. That is what this is. It is a kid's toy that now does 30. Yeah.
Or more. We don't know yet. We'll figure that out.
Yeah. And then there's mine, which is a kid's toy that does 40 and is a fire hazard. Thanks for watching whatever this was. His project done. My project pending. I'll stop by the bike shop tomorrow and get some handlebars, I guess.
Oh no. Oh yeah.